Unwanted hair with this hair removal pack. Women have unwanted hair on different parts of their bodies such as on legs, arms, face and neck. Unwanted hair on face and arms especially look unpleasant. For hair removal, waxing, threading, and laser treatments are used. If you want to get rid of unwanted hair in a natural way at home, here, I am going to share with you the recipe to make unwanted hair removal pack to remove unwanted hair. How to remove unwanted hair at home. To make a natural pack to remove unwanted hair naturally without visiting a salon, the ingredients you will need are: ingredients: aloe vera gel, mustard oil, turmeric powder, gram flour. Procedure: to make a pack for unwanted hair removal, take a bowl and in it, add 1 spoon of gram flour. After this, add 1/2 spoon of turmeric powder. Next, add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Now, add 1/2 spoon of mustard oil. After this, mix these ingredients well and make a paste. The pack to remove unwanted hair is ready for use now. How to use: apply the paste on the area from where you want to remove unwanted hair. Apply it in the direction opposite to the direction of hair growth. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes after its application. Remove this hair removing pack by scrubbing when the mixture gets dry. After this, wash it off with cool water and you will get rid of unwanted hair. After this, clean your skin with a piece of a cloth. Use it 2 to 3 times in 1 week to get better results. Benefits you will get: this hair removal pack is easy to make and easy to apply. It is safe for your skin and does not cause skin darkening effects. This wax is natural and does not contain any chemical. It leaves your skin soft and smooth. If you have unwanted hair on your body parts and you want to get rid of them, follow the simple remedy shared above and make this hair removal pack to remove unwanted hair and get rid of unwanted hair naturally.